I said. We're about to cut Chris G's hair.
My hair.
Woo!
Gotta get real serious.
Come over here. Get this real quick. Come over here. Get this down here.
This is how we do
You
it.
see how professional this is right here, baby? See how professional it is right there? Watch this shit. Woo! Professional, baby.
See that brown stain right there?
I don't see it, Chris.
Alright, we're good. Let's get
Give
this.
him before.
Let's get this
Give him
popping.
before.
Yeah, you get that.
Turn around 360. Like my 360. You're not 360 on your 360.
Woo! This dude taking a while. Precious time. Alright. Pass me by. Jesus! Oh! We good? Okay. You ain't gonna cut my hair.
You ain't gonna cut my hair. Cut my hair with your clothes. Put your clothes right there.
That's good.
And we are done.
Alright, how does it look?
It's pretty good to me. Alright, let's let them see this right here. Let them see that work.
Is it good?
Look how good that looks.
Alright, hold on, let me check.
You check.
What is that?
What was what? It's done.
What's wrong with my hair? It looks like a mushroom.
Isn't that what you asked for?
Yeah, it's good.
A mushroom? Just kidding. We'll be back. All done.
We good?
Yeah,
Hold
push
up.
you off real quick.
Alright. What the? Okay, okay.
That hurts so good. Oh yeah.
Got it?
Clean.
Alright, we good. What you guys think?
Voila. We're good. ENT boy.